course, you all, this is going to be a review of one of my favorite handguns, and this is what I believe to be the best out-of-the-box firing polymer striker-fired pistol. Now, this is only my opinion. Of course, I've not fired all the polymer striker-fired pistols to fire, and of course, everybody's experience will be different. But as you can see and read, this review is going to be of the CZ P10C. And I've had this for close to 2 years, and I truly do believe this is the nicest shooting pistol, polymer frame pistol out there. Now, I've owned several polymer striker-fired pistols out there. Currently, I still own a Glock 33, 2 Glock 19s, a Glock 45, P320, 2 P365 XLs, and a regular one, as well as a VP9. Now, other striker-fired pistols that I have owned before, I've had like a F&S 9, a Ruger SR9, Ruger American, what else? Walther PPQ, and I've even owned a Zev Glock 19, a factory full, all makeover, almost like no factory Glock parts in it whatsoever. And I'm not kidding you, I would choose this. This shot better than a $1,400 Gucci Glock. So what do I like about this pistol so much? Well, first, when you pick it up, I like the texture on the grip. It is more aggressive than what most other pistols will offer, and I would even go more aggressive. But as of right now, the back straps, when you brush down against it, kind of like against the grain or something like that, it is very aggressive and noticeable that it's there. If you have gloves, it sticks in very nice, and that helps you get a nice, firm, solid grip that doesn't slip under recoil. And it also allows you to get a very high purchase on the grip overall. The magazines, it comes with 15 round. The P07, P09 mags do work with it, as long as they are drilled for the ambi magazine release that this gun has, which is a nice feature. All ambi, slide release, slide lock, as well as the magazine release. It's nothing like some guns that might be reversible, but everything on this gun you can do on the left and the right hand side. Trigger looks a little bit funny, but it is a very nice trigger. Just take up, have a wall there, a nice break. And then the reset, very nice. Get some nice, decent double taps with it. What I do like the most, sometimes I might run the light on here if I'm drawing it out of this holster here. This is the T-Rex Arms Ragnarok. I use a safari lens setup with the, I believe it's a QLS forks on my thigh or drop leg rig. But when I don't have a light, I really like, this thing's on tight, but I do like taking my offhand finger, wrapping around the trigger guard. So I do like they have squared off trigger guard. I do not like the curved trigger guards. Up above it, they have some more texturing if you want to rest your finger, which I will use if I have a light on it. If not, this finger's going around the trigger guard. The same is repeated on the other side. So as far as the slide goes, the only thing I would change is I would like some probably night sights, fiber optic and or tritium sights. But again, this gun is bone stock and it just shoots very, very nicely. On the slide, what I really do like are the front cocking serrations. Usually on your hammer fired CZs, usually the 75 variant. You don't get a lot of real estate on the much thinner slides. You might not have the front cocking serrations, but on this, that's how I usually do it. Instead of going like this, kind of tactical press check it. But I really do like that they included those up there. Some handguns do, some handguns don't, but I definitely like that here. The overall profile of the slide is something I like as well. But like this gun, just right out of the box, was perfect for me. I see it is it's becoming a very popular gun to customize. You have brand new slides, people are offering optic cuts. You have your colorful barrels, threaded barrels, You know, even though I have suppressors, I'm really not even looking to suppress this. I just want it to run the way it is. So this doesn't have the highest round count by any means. Probably not, I'll say probably under 2,000. I have not gotten to 2,000 for sure. But the thing I like the most is this thing recoils so light. I'm able to transition very well. Double taps, triple taps. Probably at 25, 30 yards, I'm able to get a 8-inch plate with a pretty quick sight picture. But if you're looking for a firearm that does not cost a lot, I know currently the prices of these are going up, but I believe when I bought it, I actually traded for this, and I'm very happy for that. But the manufacturer, or what it was going for, the street price was probably $400, probably a little bit under on sale sometimes. I know they're over $500 now, I believe, from what I've seen. But like easily, I would choose this against the Glock as far as a nice soft shooting pistol. HK, Walther. Walther might be second place, but even over Walther striker fired pistols, this is a very, very nice handgun. So if you're in the market for one, you want something that's soft, reliable. I haven't had any issues with that. You should definitely give this. I am a CZ fanboy. I do like the 75s, but this is definitely a win for them to add on to their line of great handguns.